Welcome, and follow me. I have the RFUNGUANGO RFUN. God, you know what? I can be bothered to read this correctly. It is a dropshipping case. Let's not bullshit around this. And this is going to be a from Amazon. This is obviously you can see Amazon labeled as where is it? Black TPU case for AirPods 3 Pro. I have the AirPods right here, and we're gonna go over unboxing, quick look at the product, how well it's made, or how well it isn't made, how well it fits or doesn't, and just my general opinion about it. So, one thing that I kind of see from this that kind of just makes me think that it's straight just dropshipping crap, apart from the fact that it says made in China at the bottom, coming in a plastic bag with some BS name, is the fact that it comes with the additions. So we have some garbage carabiner, which most AliExpress garbage cases like this come with the same exact looking carabiner. If you look at this and think it looks like crap, don't worry, it feels like crap too. Now in here we get the, again, another AliExpress special, our little tool for obviously not the AirPods or the case. It is designed to help you clean. It's just something that you'll see to help you, you know, position your offering a little bit better, because it comes with more. Obviously it tries to, you know, prey on the idea of more crap equals better value, but it doesn't. Like, this is worthless basically. Now it might be usable for something. It has some like rubber tip on here, a brush, and basically a cotton swab almost right here, but other than that, you bought this for the case, not a 99-cent accessory. So let's just eat that to the side. This, again, useless. For 99 cents you can probably get a bunch of them. And then we get the case itself. It is made out of silicone, a bit kind of darker tone to it. Now one thing about silicone is the fact that it's going to get yellow over time. This one is no exception. Now the tint that you're seeing on the video is more from the silicone having a tint out of factory specifically to make it a little bit darker, not the yellowing part of it yet though. So anyway, let's just see how well it fits onto our AirPods. So, oh boy, that is a tight fit. Okay, let's also put the top part. Okay, it holds as well as I would have expected it to hold, which means almost not. Anyway, if you're gonna put this in the pocket, I expect that it's gonna come off without this portion, because it just kind of comes off way too easily. So I'm gonna be reviewing this as though this doesn't exist, because you're gonna lose it. So the silicone portion at least the bottom one seems to be made pretty solidly. There is a carabiner part, and pulling on it you can see it doesn't really deform the case. That's good. At the bottom we do have cutouts for our I presume these are like partially speakers and also microphone, and these look to be positioned perfectly over these holes, perforations in the actual AirPods. So that is pretty good. Now let's grab also a Type-C cable so we can see the chunkers like this if it obstructs cables like this, and it does not. It fully plugs in, charges, so no problem. So that's pretty good. And in terms of manufacturing, it's a silicone mold. Like, there is not much to it, to be completely honest. One thing that I also want to point out is this little lanyard right here, space for one. It doesn't come with one. Not really a bad thing though. But one thing that I would say it should come in a box with is something that, for instance, other cases do, which is this kind of like a plastic little stump that you just plop it on and push the case down to eject it from here. As, my god, this is going to be kind of hard to, you know, get it out of here. I'm trying to like right now push it out, and it is doable if you don't have a chunky enough fingers like me. There we go. So it did take a bit of finesse to get it out of there, but it is doable. It would have been nice to have this. As you can just kind of slap it on there and it pushes out the case through the Type-C. It's just a nice little quality of life. Other than that, like I said, it is an AliExpress kind of case, and you should expect it to feel like one, and because it totally does. Now, if you're interested in picking this up, this combo right here, there's a top part as well, as long as you don't lose it. You can find the link in the description for Amazon. But in general, my opinion of this is you bought earbuds for $250 freaking dollars. Maybe spending $5 on this isn't necessarily such a great money saving when you can buy something like this for $15. This is my kind of go-to case. I personally really like this specific one. It comes with magnetic cover, so the top and bottom magnetically, you know, attach. The top part also has adhesives, so it can stick to the top portion of your AirPods a little bit better. And it's just a well-made case. Looks nice, feels nice, has MagSafe. So recommend this. This is like 15 bucks. You already spent $250 on your earbuds. You might as well protect them correctly. But if you're hell-bent on this one, maybe because it's clear or whatever, then it's a case. I think that's as best as I can describe it. Now, in any case, no pun intended, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.